Hello friends, welcome to another video from YouTube channel Learn Finance and Accounts. In this video we will be discussing one of the most important inventory management and ordering technique, which is EOQ, Economic Order Quantity. So please watch the complete video, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let us discuss what is EOQ, Economic Order Quantity. So economic order quantity is the size of inventory lot that should be purchased which is economically viable. A decision about how much to order is very important in inventory management. The quantity to be purchased should neither be small nor large because cost of buying and carrying material are very high. EOQ is decided by taking in two type of inventory cost into consideration. These costs are ordering cost and carrying cost. Carrying cost is also known as holding cost. Let us first discuss about ordering cost. These are the costs that are associated with purchasing or ordering of material. These costs include inspection of incoming materials, cost of stationery, typing, postage, telephone, etc. This is also known as administrative expenses. The third cost is transportation cost. So these are the three ordering cost. There can be other also, but these are the three most important. These costs are also known as buying cost and will arise only when some purchases are made. The second kind of cost is called carrying cost. These are costs for holding the inventory. These costs include cost of capital invested in the inventory, and interest will be paid on the amount of capital locked up in the inventories. So there is opportunity cost. This amount can be say deposited in a bank, and that deposit will earn some interest. Second type of cost is cost of storage. So the company which has purchased material will have to store that in a warehouse or a godown. So that cost of a warehouse or godown, the rent being paid for that will be called cost of storage. Third cost is insurance cost. So these three are most important carrying cost. There are two costs, ordering and carrying. So we will calculate EOQ on the basis of ordering and carrying cost. How is EOQ calculated? So graphically, if we represent these two costs on a graph, so you can see the graph. Here on y-axis we are plotting cost and on x-axis quantity is being plotted. So the first cost is ordering cost. See ordering cost, the curve of ordering cost as you can see is downward sloping. So this means that if we order more and more quantity, then the cost per head becomes less and less, keeps on decreasing. So the second type of cost is holding cost. Holding cost, as you can see, it starts from zero. It can be zero also, and it is increasing. It is upward sloping. So at a point where the two costs meet, that point is called known as EOQ, economic order quantity. So if we have to reorder any more inventory, then we will order it in lot. The lot size should be of OQ. So OQ is the quantity that we are ordering every time and our cost will become less. So EOQ is the point where the two costs meet. Economic order quantity is the point at which inventory carrying cost and ordering cost they are equal. So the formula for EOQ is 2AO divided by C under root, where A is annual requirement or usage in rupees. O is the cost of placing an order and C is inventory carrying cost of 1 unit. So the formula becomes 2AO divided by C whole, we have to take under root. So let us do a question, let us do a numerical, which will make everything more clear. So suppose a shopkeeper sells notebooks throughout the year. The data about the annual requirement, ordering cost and holding cost of this material is given below. So annual requirement is 2400 units, ordering cost is 10 rupees per unit and holding cost is 30 paisa per unit. From this data we have to calculate EOQ. Can we calculate? Yes, we can try. Okay. A is 2400 units, O is 10 rupees per unit and holding cost is 30 paisa per unit. So if we put all these in the formula, then the formula becomes 2 into 2400 into 10 divided by 0.30 under root. So it will be 400 units. So the answer will be 400 units. So we can calculate such numericals, and this will tell us how much lot should we order every time, so that our cost of holding and cost of ordering becomes less. So that's all for today. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. So you can support us